First and foremost, the entrance of Vybz Kartel was somewhat similar. It was the most Michael Jackson entrance I've ever seen. Alright, yo, remember to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Today we're just going to run down on some clips from Freedom Street, Vybz Kartel, because I see a lot of people, not a lot, but one person in particular, we're not calling him. We're gonna just break down some of the performances, who we think do the best, who we think could have, done a little bit more, and all that type of stuff. So we're gonna shout out some people. Shout out Pelpa Time for the video. Shout out who this? I think it's a Jamaican Thing TV. So shout them out because we're up on YouTube and we're actually a look out for the video on YouTube, right? Because I never save the live, the streaming. I never save it. But anyway, I did a church and I couldn't even watch all the performances, so I'll come back here so I come see it. See me? So first and foremost, the entrance of Vybz Kartel was somewhat similar. It was the most Michael Jackson entrance I've ever seen. I've never seen somebody else done this, especially from a third world country, especially from Jamaica. Alright? Imagine you are being celebrated all over the world and you're just a third world country representative of dancehall music. Right? Now, make a break one thing down before we even go any further. No, it's not like, comment, and subscribe. It is the fact that I've seen a lot of people degrading Vybz Kartel performance. Now, if you purchase a ticket for go Freedom Street, you should have already known that Vybz Kartel is not going to give you 100% in terms of his movement, in terms of him being agile enough to work the entire 360 stage. You out of all persons should have known that, because he's a sickly person currently. Remember, he's suffering from grave disease and we don't know what other illness he's fighting currently. Now, make a run through the... Now, as you can see, how the man come out, the man just come out, boop. I make you know, say, yo, the king is back. You see me? Alright. Make you skip through it and you can see. No, honestly, me personally, me think when Vybz Kartel gonna come out on stage, Vybz Kartel would have come out with Babylon say jail for me, bet the cops say bet. You know, that song there, you see me? But a man come out with, me not have time for no waste time, but that is kinda adding up the storyline, cause since him come out of prison, him just step on a straight and narrow. Him not no mix up. Him no want nobody to call up him name. Him no answer nobody who call up him name or who discuss him. Him no business. So the song is actually a great pick for how him come out. Now, if you don't watch the videos, and like we said, we just skip through majority of the videos, but if you watch some of the videos, you can see that Vybz Kartel is actually, he's working the stage, but he's not working the stage on the stage 100%. Because we all know, say, he's not fit enough to work the entire 360 stage. So he might go over one side, come back. But however, Vybz Kartel did what a lot of people doubted. Vybz Kartel went 3 hours or a little bit over 3 hours, and a lot of people were saying that he couldn't achieve 3 hours of performance. Alright? So, Pelpa Time, big up yourself. Now, see the Pelpa Time, big up yourself. Now, one thing I love about the performance with him and him sons is the fact, say, if you hear him from the beginning, him say, yo, when him there at jail, enough man never want to work with him, son. Enough man never want to work with him kids, them. You see me? And him happy say him come out of jail now and can actually dead if him son them and work with them. Because so far, Vybz Kartel give them 2 hits each. Well, one hit each. Because I think Little Addy have Cole Palmer and Liquor Vybz have Lemonade. Alright? And those are two hot songs right now on the market.
Hell good time.
It's Leroy.
I promise you, while me I watch this, I look to KD and I say, KD, you know why that tear up the crowd right now? If Skeng come out. If Skeng... Lo and behold, the old agility monkey come out. I think Skeng is now the greatest performer we have in Jamaica. I think so. Correct me if I'm wrong. But I personally think that Skeng is the greatest performer that we have right now in terms of working the stage and giving 100% at each and every given concert or event that he attends. I think Skeng has the number one spot currently. Beenie Man, we all know Beenie Man is the king of, was the king of dancehall, because I guess Vybz Kartel now have that throne that he's the king of dancehall, and I believe so. I believe Vybz Kartel should have the king of dancehall. But look at this Skeng performance. Now, if you look on Kartel face, hold on, we could go back. Yo, just look on Kartel face now the video, dog. Just look on Kartel face. You can't tell the man is so happy. He's overwhelmed right now with emotions because him sister, him artist Tamale. See? Remember the artist Tamale taught this. Vybz Kartel come take him out of Mobile and say, come perform. Him perform a Mobile and Vybz Kartel say, yo, Company Town. Come on Kingston. Him and Popcorn say, come on Kingston. See me? And I think him go Kingston on Kartel birthday. And then him perform a Kartel birthday bash. So just look on greatness right now, brother. Now, like me say, we just skip through it because I know everybody's seen it already. But I think Skeng did a great job. Now, in terms of clarity, I don't think clarity was there. I think they needed more clarity on the microphones between him and Tamale. We didn't have a lot of clarity, and that's one thing that we were missing, unfortunately. You understand me? No. Tamale gave us positive message.
Vybz Kartel always come on Mobile. Why if he come? Forward on Mobile. I'm going to mash up in place. I said,
here's the story I was given earlier.
Family, call me up and say that mash up in place and everything. The Popcorn, Vybz Kartel, all that family, forward on Kingston.
Yes, you see me? So, I want to understand the fact say, Kartel, as bad as how people might paint him as, you cannot deny the fact say him do a lot of good things to people, bro. Him do a lot of good things to people. And one thing I definitely don't like, personally, is the ignorance of people for say the performance was lame. Like, brother, everybody knew, every single solitary person knew that we were not going to get a full Vybz Kartel. We were not going to get a Vybz Kartel that was fit, that was ready, and that was energetic as hell. You know, we might know. No.
I just want to take one last. I know the kids are before.
Yes, sir.
No, this is weird. Like, this is where I was very, very happy. Not in the terms of how the next man about one next man, but if you don't know Shatta Wale a big artist, I don't feel like Shatta Wale no little penke artist from Africa. Them man a big artist. And the man bow down to Vybz Kartel and tell Vybz Kartel, me appreciate what you have done for me. And him always did want to perform with Vybz Kartel. And him first time I perform in Jamaica, him perform with Vybz Kartel. First time. I'm not gonna feel like Shatta Wale no punk. The man a bad man here. So I'm not gonna feel like say Shatta Wale no like a run over. But if you see a man like Shatta Wale show respect to Vybz Kartel, it tell a lot. And after this, Vybz Kartel did say, as a nation we are powerful. But if we never saw bad mind, we could have reached far and conquer the world. And I agree. The most bad mind I ever see are Jamaicans. Me totally agree with that. The most bad mind I ever see are Jamaicans. No. One of the performances that I was really enjoying.
Don't just take class.
Is Bounty Killer.
Take charge. Start your comeback today at purdueglobal.edu.
We need a small business loan fast.
I got this.
Lone Falcon!
blood, blood.
No, Bounty Killer performance, I enjoyed it. It had clarity. It had a message. It showed unity. I remember, you know, Vybz Kartel and Bounty Killer, there was that war, wicked one time, you know. You see me? Like, that was one of the most disrespectful war I ever hear in my life, you know, when it comes to music, you know, brother. You understand me? But, however, it showed maturity and it showed growth. It shows, say, two men them put them differences aside. And Kartel went to prison. And I think Kartel going to prison give us a different Kartel. A Kartel we never expect. And we appreciate who he is now. Yes, everybody have good, everybody have bad. Like the Bible say, those without sin cast the first stone. So you can't judge a man and you can't crucify a man, especially if there's no evidence of the crime. You see me? And if there was even, and we had evidence that the government just didn't like Vybz Kartel and want Vybz Kartel out the picture. But however, we're glad to say him out, and we're glad to say him can do a stage show of this magnitude. Probably one of the biggest stage show ever. Right? So we have to appreciate that. We're not gonna ever take the dog music for granted, because guess what? It is well appreciated. You understand me? Now, who I want to talk about first and foremost, make we just pause, is Jamal. I think Jamal did a great job. I think Jamal, apart from Vybz Kartel, I think Jamal had the most clarity. Jamal had no listening piece in his ears, and Jamal had the most clarity in his performance. I think he worked the stage well. I think his vocals were on point. I think his appearance was on point. His message was on point. When I say message, I'm talking about how he delivered his music. Alright? We never really said nothing inspiration or whatever. So for all who illiterate, I don't know what me I talk about. I think he did a great job. Honestly, I think he did the best job. I think his performance was well put together. I will probably say I give the performance, apart from Vybz Kartel, because this is Vybz Kartel show, but in terms of performance, good performance, I would probably give it to Jamal. I was hoping he would have done more songs, because I was listening out for AMG. I was listening out for him to sing Time, you know, a little longer, but I was definitely hoping for AMG. You understand me? But I think he came and sing the song that Vybz Kartel and his sons love the most, which is Ballon d'Or. And I think Vybz Kartel appreciate the fact that Jamal show up. You understand me? But me give it to Jamal for the best performance of Freedom Street, apart from Vybz Kartel. And like I said, me never expect Vybz Kartel to come and give 100%. Now, promoters, me gotta talk the truth. Me gotta be 100% honest. You see me? Now Shalom came on stage. Shalom doing thing, you know, but I feel like Shalom could have done a little bit better, you know. Him get the stage feel like him should do a little bit better. But we appreciate Shalom coming out and burning out the transmission.
Everybody be asking me, man, does the Bluetooth actually work?
Bro, you get a month for
Yo, I want level it there. Level it there. We respect every artist, but we don't like nobody about Buckler.
No. Scatterburrel and Popcorn and Chronicler got into a little altercation. Do I think it was the appropriate time? No. I think them could have dealt with it backstage, you know? I think them should have give Vybz Kartel the opportunity to have a great show, you know? Because other people probably that come and I anticipate some type of fight, violence, whatever. Or some type of animosity building up. And that's exactly what they received. But anyway, I think it could have been dealt with properly. But again, there's three sides to a story. Your side, my side, and the truth. However, we're glad it never get out of hand. We're glad nobody never threw fists or whatever the case is. Now we heard there was a fight. I mean, I seen a video yet. I just feel like man and man catch up on man, just start hold on people and say you want to bill. Now mash up the man thing. See me? No. Scatterburrel, Popcorn stated that they were outside for 3 hours. Him and Chronicler, and I guess the entourage. Now, if artist is booked for a show, if you have artists who are booked for a show, there is no need for them to be marginalized and left outside when they're supposed to be in the venue preparing themselves to go on stage, right? For example, Bounty Killer was called up on stage and he wasn't in the position or he wasn't present at the moment. Popcorn, I get called up on stage how long? Still couldn't see Popcorn. So we get the frustration of the artists them because them come to support Vybz Kartel and it's like, you know, it's like a different meds are going over one part. You see me? So I kind of understand the frustration. However, I feel like them could have deal with it differently. Next, the promotion. Jeffrey came out on his podcast. We saw a clip of it. We didn't see the entire video, but we saw a clip of it. Jeffrey stating that the venue wasn't sold out and he didn't do as well as Buju Banton did. No. I have one thing to say. Jeffrey give the performance, I think he said a 6 or a 8. And like I said, if you got the show and expect Vybz Kartel to give you 100%, that show how done you be. You understand? So I somewhat understand what Jeffrey is trying to do or what he's trying to say. Now, personally to me, I wouldn't go to Vybz Kartel's show expecting him to give us 100% in his performance. We all know Vybz Kartel is suffering from grave disease and other illnesses that we probably don't even know about. But, however, he did a great job. So, for Jeffrey to say, you know, the performance never at, or whatever the case is, bro, we all know Vybz Kartel never held to. We all know Vybz Kartel was not 100%. We knew. So anybody we're going to expect Vybz Kartel to jump around or whatever, you're dumb. He also stated that Vybz Kartel is not a great performer, but he's not the worst. No. The Vybz Kartel I know before Vybz Kartel got prison, Vybz Kartel was a great performer and knew how to work the stage. No, I am not going to say everything that he's saying that it is wrong, but it is not true all of what he's saying, because everybody know before Vybz Kartel went to jail, Vybz Kartel was a great performer. Vybz Kartel knew how to work the stage. He knew how to interact with his audience. He knew the type of songs that the audience would like to hear, based off the fact that he has a million fucking hits. But he knew exactly what the audience wanted to hear. No, Freedom Street didn't give us a lot of songs that we wanted to hear, but what we received was good enough because they were all some of our favorite songs, regardless of the fact that we didn't hear our number one favorite. No, with all that said, I am going to give Freedom Street a 9.5 out of 10. Right? Now, the ticket price. Other people said the ticket prices were expensive. Now, I understand that the promoters paid Vybz Kartel a hefty sum, based on what Vybz Kartel have said, allegedly. So we don't know how much Vybz Kartel get for that show there. However, let's just say this. The ticket prices were a little bit too expensive. That's one thing I will agree with Jeffrey. However, I don't think it was all the way bad. I think they could have lowered the prices a little bit to help those who wanted to come to the show but just never have that type of money. You understand? Jamaica is a third world country. But Jamaica also have money. Because a lot of people fly down, a lot of people show up for that show. But me just wish them could have do a little bit better. You know, for the Eagle them, for the ghetto youth them. You know, for them people that them could have come and enjoy the moment. You see me? Because remember say them did outer road. I say free Vybz Kartel just to see me. You see me? So we would have loved to see that. Now, who? Spice. Big up Spice. I love Spice. Like Spice, I'm a J. The queen. The queen. I never gonna stop saying that the queen of dancehall is Spice. Now, a lot of people are saying that Spice disrespect Alkaline. No, Spice never disrespect Alkaline. Spice never disrespect Alkaline. Spice simply stated how you compare Alkaline with Vybz Kartel. Simply saying Vybz Kartel is the teacher, Alkaline is the student. I don't see it as disrespect. She state the facts. You understand me? So, you have to understand and have to learn how to comprehend certain things. You understand me? Not everything that is said on an entertainment standpoint has to be classified as a disrespect. Because I think of that enough we don't understand, and so come we have artists a beef against artists because we as the fans put something in the universe that is not true. And them take it up on them, and now the artists them take it up and say, yo, this a go on, that a go on, we're gonna run with it because it'll give you a hype and it'll give you a little spotlight, and then boom, when you just start thumb fist now and everything start turn out into violence and crime and you know more than what it's supposed to be. May I beg the fans them please, make we keep the peace because we are to be blamed for a lot of these unnecessary war. See, look on Goli and Gaza. Cartel and Mavado is like brothers now. See me? Look on that, look on Idonia and Cartel. You see me? I don't know, I say free Vybz Kartel. I don't know, masicka, boom off fist and I say, yo, blessed me G. You understand? So we have to understand, say, we know the culture strive of bad publicity, but we don't want that to be the main priority of why artists get a good publish. You understand? We want the artists them to get a publishing because them have great music. You get me? Not because, oh, a man in a war. For example, look on Jeff Fulliato. Nobody know about this man until him and Bryson Messiah have some type of beef going. You understand? But we love the fact, say, you know, people come out and support Vybz Kartel. And the ticket price, I think it could have been a little lower, you know. Like, me feel like after, like, at the end, you could have, like, open up a little leadway for them forward, you know, and say, yo, boom, we can afford that price and we could go. You see me? But we understand, so the promoter have to make back our money too. Knowing that the facts of them pay Vybz Kartel a hefty sum. We don't know how much, we just saying. But you don't know that go. But anyway, Spice. Spice did a great job. I think Spice is definitely the queen. She stamped her name on that crown. And I don't think anybody can take that away from her, personally. Now, in terms of the entire show, I think his sons did well. Aishana came up on stage. I think she did well. You know, all the other Gaza people. Ja Vinci. I thought Ja Vinci would definitely sing some of his songs, you know. But I guess they keep it strictly Gaza or Portmore Empire in that term. But we appreciate the love for Vybz Kartel. Freedom Street, I give it a 9.5. And the 9.5 come from, I don't think they should have made a 360 stage. Personally. No. The reason I said that is because taking into consideration that his health is not at 100%, I think the stage should have just been facing everybody. Instead of people surrounding the stage. If that makes any sense to you guys. No, it would have mobilized him a little better if the stage was just facing everybody and he can walk from one end to the next and to the middle. That would have given him a better audience and a better understanding to say, all right then, I'm strong enough, can even go longer Instead of you walk around this whole fucking stage, walk through the middle, walk to the end. You understand what I mean? So I feel like that was the only thing where me just say, yo, you know what, that shouldn't be a thing. It should just be one flat stage facing everybody. Everybody I come from behind the stage, if that make any sense. But I guess they're trying to go futuristic with it, you know, the whole 360 stage, blah blah blah. But taking his health into consideration, I think it was a bad idea. That was me thinking. I think it was a bad idea, bro. For just, you know, should I take into consideration, say him not healthy like how he used to be, so I could put the stage, boom, facing everybody, and not everybody surrounding the stage. You understand? But however, I think it was a good show. You know, I think it was a good show. We hope for nothing but health and strength for everybody. Happy New Year. And I hope everybody can just appreciate good music, yo, and just appreciate unity. You understand me? Sorry, if Black Rhino couldn't make it, because I love to see Black Rhino up on the stage. Just trust me, it'd be terrible if Black Rhino could have performed. But unfortunately, you know, Black Rhino couldn't make it. So yeah, man, all Gaza fans, people of Alkaline, people of Masicka down here. We know enough man go. We support other artists and we appreciate that. We love the fact that people are come support Vybz Kartel, you know, and give him a good show. We appreciate it. So remember, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.